stupid. I can't
hate
stand
you.
you. Christina, stop. Like, I don't want to with you anymore. Stop! Don't you dare chuck something at me again. Don't do it, Christina. Don't do it.
This is a test. I just can't stand her. She's such a.
You need to calm down. It wasn't even
you
that
do,
stupid.
Carissa.
Why are you because you're in the dining room acting like a no, I did not. Yes, you are. Stupid. You're stupid.
Girls, stop it. Separate. Hey,
I swear
we
to
need
God,
those
I swear to
eggs.
God, Christina, you need
No,
to calm down.
Carissa.
You need to calm down.
Carissa, I want you to go in
Whoa!
Go in the bedroom.
Whoa,
Right.
whoa, whoa.
End off.
You're stupid.
End off. Carissa, go in the bedroom, please.
Please.
End
Just
off.
go.
Stop it.
Idiot.
Oi.
Punk ass out of here, you dumb.
We need the eggs for eating, guys. Calm down. Now, man.
Nothing. We're in the diary room.
Jeez.
Throwing heavy things around, man.
Just calm down. Me.
Hey,
What?
quickly put them in a bowl. We'll use them.
Is that was that real? Do you think?
It's in there. Good if it's not.
That is real.